And as we continue to track COVID-19 death rates in Florida, the percentage of deaths associated with long-term care facilities is rapidly rising.
ABC Action News is committed to holding the powerful accountable and providing you with information you need as the state works to rebound. I-Team investigator Adam Walser finding out how these facilities are addressing the problem.
Florida news media, including ABC Action News, pushed the state to release specific information about deaths and infections at long-term care facilities. When that data was first released 4 weeks ago, 28% of deaths from COVID-19 occurred at long-term care facilities. Now that number has grown to almost half. "95-year-old Clayton Snare, a retired banker and Navy veteran, is among 11 St. Mark Village residents who have died from COVID-19.
When it hits you and your family, it gives you a whole different perspective.
Clayton Snare II said his father's death last month was a sad ending to a well-lived life.
Then when I found out I couldn't be with him in this last couple of hours of his life, I mean, I took it pretty rough, and so did the whole family.
St. Mark's in Palm Harbor is one of 7 Tampa Bay area long-term care facilities which state records show is associated with 10 or more COVID-19 deaths. Seminole Pavilion has the most deaths in Florida with 25, and on Thursday the state confirmed its 1,000th death associated with long-term care. In 4 weeks, the number of facilities with confirmed COVID-19 cases grew from 335 to 533. The American Health Care Association and the National Center for Assisted Living released this long-term care workforce roadmap this week, asking states to waive regulations so facilities can hire more staff, make long-term care facilities a priority to receive personal protective equipment, and make long-term care facilities a priority for timely testing. Those organizations say testing residents and staff at all Florida facilities just once would cost $25 million, and the cost to test nationwide would run an estimated $440 million.
You know, the majority of the facilities, they're doing the right thing. Our focus is always on resident safety, and, you know, that's what we're going to continue to focus on until we get through this.
In response to those requests, the federal government has approved $4.9 billion to assist long-term care facilities with the outbreak. Also this week, the state has agreed to release the complete unredacted reports from the Florida Medical Examiners Commission, which track all deaths in all counties, including those of non-residents. To see the latest information about the infection and death rates at long-term care facilities, go to abcactionnews.com. I'm I-Team investigator Adam Walser, taking action for you.
Here's the rebound rundown. Since the state first began releasing numbers 4 weeks ago, the percentage of Florida's COVID-19 deaths associated with nursing homes and assisted living facilities has grown from 28% to 47%. The American Health Care Association and the National Association for Assisted Living are pushing for new guidelines to keep residents and staff safe. You can find more information from our I-Team investigation. That's up on abcactionnews.com/rebound.